Hi, this is Gemini Dhar, and it's been 5 decades for me on this planet Earth. And every single year of my life, I have been working towards making more money and becoming stronger and stronger, richer and richer, I must say. However, 8.5 years back, everything changed for me. So in 2015, on 7th of February, I lost it all. Every penny I had and whatever I had earned from my hard work as a fashion designer in last 25 years was lost. It was lost due to my stupidity, I agree. However, the thought of money, the jingle of money, the sound of money makes me smile. I can shamelessly say that I love money and I want each and every woman on planet Earth to love money equally as much as they love themselves and they love their family. Why do I say that? Well, I would want to ask you a question. In last 2 years, have you experienced the fear of not having enough? Yes, it could be in a form of a worry. It could be in form of a fear. It could be, your thoughts for your future. In last 2 years of COVID, everything has changed. The perception of life, the meaning of life, the way the lifestyles we were living. And during that period, I had a lot of women come to me with teary eyes and say, I can't save my loved one. I don't have enough money. I can't do this. I don't have enough money. I want to do this. However, I don't have enough money. Even the women who had amazing jobs were stranded. Even the people who had the most secure future became insecure because they did not know what was in store for them. While I work with women, and specifically women entrepreneurs, the major reason for somebody to work hard, the major reason for somebody to give away their valuable health is to make more money, to have more security, to be able to give the lifestyle of their dreams to their children, to be able to support their life and to be able to support the second innings of their life, their old age. So a lot of women lose money and a lot of women make money. I believe that money is something as crucial as oxygen. When I say I'm money-minded, I see a lot of eyes roll to me and say, oh my God, this woman talks about money and money only. Yes, because I have seen money save lives. I have seen money that has helped, maintain a lifestyle, to give that support to the loved one that today, give that comfort, give that gift to your loved one, which will make them smile. So yes, money is important. It is as important as oxygen, and I believe so. And did you know that you can make money? You can become financially stronger, and it's in your hands. You can take charge of your finances. How do you do so? First, you take responsibility of your finances. I'm going to do a small exercise with you. Hold your hands limp in the air. Really, believe me, this is going to work for you. Your hands are limp in the air. You strengthen them and you tighten them and you say, I am strong. So from going from here to putting it together in a fist and telling yourself, I am strong. And you know what? You will feel the strength in your body. You will feel the strength. Similarly, the strength, the ideas, and the strategies of making money start here. Between your 2 ears. Yes, I believe that your thoughts become your words become your actions, and your actions will give you results. What are the results you're looking at? So when women come to me, they are in fear. They are in fear of not having enough money. They are in need to prove themselves that yes, when I make that money, people are going to come to me, people are going to talk to me, people are going to take me seriously. Unfortunately, many in this world judge you with the glasses of money. How much money do you have? That's your status in life. In today's world, in the digital medium, how many Instagram followers do you have? That much is your presence in the world. However, the truth is, how much money can you build that makes you feel financially strong, which gives you the confidence that yes, tomorrow night, if I get a call from a friend, I will be able to help them. Tomorrow night, if everything around me shatters, I will have enough to survive. Tomorrow, if things go amiss in my life, I will be able to sustain. A lot of people are not able to live the life of their dreams. A lot of people are not able to go for the life of their dreams because they believe they cannot create the abundance that they want. The thought is, how am I going to pay my bill next year, next month? What am I going to do with the money that I need for my children's education? How am I going to pay the bills that are so outstanding? And what am I going to do with the debt that I have created? Yes, in today's scenario, money is extremely important. So I do the simple things and get the maximum results. You can try them too. First, sow the seed of money and make some amazing money beliefs. Yes, this is not some rocket science I'm sharing with you. It is something that each and every person can find on Google. However, how many of you apply that? How many of you understand how exactly it works? So the formula, the Take Charge formula for money is really simple. Sow the seeds first, nurture them with your words, and then put some actions and strategies. You can find help across the world. You just need to reach out. But before that, you need to believe that money can be made and money is possible to make. Therefore, a lot of women rely on their businesses, on their services, and a lot of other things. They are willing to work round the clock to become financially stronger. I have seen women who become financially stronger go out and change the world. Go out and do some amazing things in their life which they could have never done in their life without having that kind of confidence. So money comes with confidence and confidence comes along with money. A lot to say about money, but more to say about financial strength. So financial strength, what are the things that financial strength can give you? If you take a piece of paper and just note down that when I have the money, this will happen, this will happen, this is what I can do, this is what I can do. If you can write down 25 things that are amazing and that you can make with money, you will know why I'm talking about financial strength. As a woman, having my children the best education, having a roof over my head, bread on my plate, and a lot more to share with people around me, that makes me feel worthwhile. It builds my self-worth when I'm able to be of service to somebody, of help to somebody. And when people look up to me and say, you inspire me, I thank my stars that I went through that difficult time in 2015 that changed everything for me. So you have two choices. Get below a challenge and break down and lose it all, or stand up to a challenge, roll over it, shout on the face of a challenge and say, I can do it and I'm going to be even bigger than my challenge. So the day you take charge of your finances, the day you take charge of your financial strength, you are going to make the most amazing life of your dreams, not only for yourself, but for this world. So every woman should think about financial strength. They have to work towards their financial strength, no matter how busy you are. I say, when you don't have time, you don't have money. Money is equal to oxygen. Money is equal to time. Quite a unique formula that I work on with women, and I strongly believe your financial strength can change your world and the world of your loved ones. It's your choice. How do you do it? What do you do it? Are you ready to plant that seed? Tell me 25 reasons why you should make money. And you will see, you will get your answers when you ask yourself the right questions. This is Gemini Dar. Thank you so much.